Hey y'all, it's Brian Porter here. I am the owner of Porter Contract Consulting and Sciences, and I am extremely nervous. When I graduated from law school, my thought was never to own my own firm one day, but I came up with the idea to start my own firm because I had a dream of starting a business. But as I was starting my own business and doing my own things in life, when it came to contracts, I was negotiating my own contracts, and I then started negotiating contracts and doing stuff for friends. And I realized there was a big need, not for just lawyers, right? I know a lot of people, they get sued. Of course, you need a lawyer for that. But people need a lawyer for the beginning process. You start a business, you're trying to collaborate with another company, you're trying to collaborate with maybe outsource materials for your products, and negotiating those contracts are really difficult. And I realized people need help with that stuff. If a manufacturer gives you a contract and it's 20 pages long, how do you know it's a good contract? And I realized a lot of people need help with that. And so I started a firm that is very niche and specifically helps out with the contract process. And we'll see where it goes. I've been helping my friends for a few years, and I was like, okay, it's clear that a lot more people need help with this. I used to do a lot of contracts. As a lawyer, you touch contracts a lot. When I was working in the civil department, even I used to work for the state. I used to do civil contracts for the state. And then part of my life, I was actually doing strictly contracts. I was strictly negotiating, drafting, and doing contracts. And one of my coworkers was like, you could just start your own contract consulting firm. And I was like, bitch, you right. So that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm doing. I'm starting my own contract consultation firm. If people want my services, I try to make it very non-expensive. So it's not like retaining a lawyer. You'll never have to retain me for anything unless, you want me to be a contractor, like specifically just do all your contracts for your businesses. But I'm going to be helping people understand contracts and just have fun with it. So the kind of content I really want to post kind of like learning stuff. And then, of course, you can follow my links and everything and reach out if you want my services. And I'm going to just be helping people with the basics. It's not even the intricate stuff that people need help with. People just need help with the basics. You look at a contract and you don't even have any idea or clue of what the contract is saying. And before I can even help people, they at least have to have the simple understanding. So I'm going to be posting a lot of content with a simple understanding and having fun. I made my name on TikTok, The Legal Gangster, mainly because I'm going to be teaching y'all how to really do some shit. Like... Okay, I'm going to teach y'all how to run game on people, the way I be running game on people. Because in negotiations, it's all about running game. Can you can you talk the talk? Can you walk the walk? Negotiation strategies and all that good stuff. Negotiation helps you in life, okay? Some of y'all don't even negotiate your damn salaries. But that's what I'm going to be doing. Am I scared? Yeah, I never thought I'd be doing something like this. But I really enjoy it. So I'm going to start a business about it. And have fun with it and educate people. I love educating people. So stay tuned for the fun, and I'll catch y'all later.